On the ramp beside me is Pete's T2 bay window camper. It's a 1970 model, and as from standard they came with drum brakes all round. Pete's fitted disc brakes to the front using our CSP front disc brake conversion kit. The kit comes with everything you need to convert to disc brakes. Once all the old drum brake components are removed from the stub axle, the CSP kit fits directly to the original fixings, making this kit one of the best direct fitting conversions on the market. This particular kit is for split screens and bay windows running standard wheels 14 or 15 inch. CSP produce an exclusive range of products in typical German high quality and functionality. Just check out these CNC machined alloy hubs. To make this front disc conversion work correctly, the braking system must be upgraded to a dual circuit. This allows fitting of the correct master cylinder for discs on the front and drums on the rear, for which we have two options: non-servo assisted and servo assisted. To complement the CSP front brake upgrade, I would definitely recommend the servo assisted option. As you can see, Pete converted to dual circuit and servo assisted. The CSP front disc conversion alongside the dual circuit servo assisted master cylinder is possibly the best braking upgrade you could do for your camper, whether it's a T2 or a split screen, allowing you the best chance to keep up with modern day braking. To keep up with our latest videos, follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and check us out at justkampers.com. Thanks for watching.